Good morning, children. This is a term book, page number 1111. 1111. Okay, children. This is English poem, How They Sleep. This is English poem, How They Sleep. H-O-W, how, T-H-E-Y, they, S-L-E-E-P, sleep. How they sleep. Children, already I explained you this poem. I hope you all understood. Okay. Now we are going to read this poem. Children, before reading, I want to ask some questions about your sleep. Okay. Do you sleep during the day? When do you sleep at night? Where do you sleep? Which place is the most comfortable for your sleeping time? Which place is the most comfortable for your sleeping time? Children, please give answers for these questions through WhatsApp. Okay, now we can start the reading. Okay, here some pictures are there. She is sleeping on the floor. She is sleeping on the sofa. He is sleeping on the bed. She is sleeping in the car. Okay, children. Some things, S-O-M-E, some, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Some things go to sleep, G-O-Go, T-O-2, go to sleep, S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Some things go to sleep in such, S-U-C-H, such a funny way, F-U-N-N-Y, funny, W-A-Y, way, funny way. Some things go to sleep in such a funny way. Little birds, L-I-T-T-L-E, little, B-I-R-D-S, birds, little birds, stand, S-T-A-N-D, stand, on, O-N, on, one leg, O-N-E, one, L-E-G, leg, one leg. Little birds stand on one leg and tuck their heads away. Tuck, T-U-C-K, tuck, T-H-E-I-R, their, H-E-A-D-S, heads, away, A-W-A-Y, away. Tuck their heads away. Some things go to sleep in such a funny way. Little birds stand on one leg and tuck their heads away. Chickens, C-H-I-C-K-E-N-S, chickens do the same. D-O do, T-H-E the, S-A-M-E, same. Chickens do the same. Standing, S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing on their, T-H-E-I-R, their perch, P-E-R-C-H, perch. Here perch means place. Okay, standing on their perch. Chickens do the same, standing on their perch. Little mice, L-I-T-T-L-E, little mice, M-I-C-E, mice, little mice lie, L-I-E, lie, soft and still, S-O-F-T, soft, A-N-D, and S-T-I-L-L, still. Little mice lie soft and still. As if they, T-H-E, they, were, W-E-R-E, were, in, I-N, in, C-H-U-R-C-H, church. As if they were in church. Little mice lie soft and still, as if they were in church. Chickens do the same, standing on their perch. Little mice lie soft and still, as if they were in church. Kittens, K-I-T-T-E-N, kittens curl up, C-U-R-L, curl up, close in such a funny ball. Kittens curl up, K-I-T-T-E-N-S, kittens, K-I-T-T-E-N-S, kittens Curl, C-U-R-L, curl, up, U-P, up, close, C-L-O-S-E, close, I-N, in, such, S-U-C-H, such, a funny ball, F-U-N-N-Y, funny, B-A-L-L, ball, funny ball. Kittens curl up, close in such a funny ball. Curl up means, already I told you children, to pull legs, arms and heads close to the body. చూడండి ఇలా ముడుచుకొని పడుకోవడం. ఓకే. Kittens curl up close in such a funny ball. Horses, H-O-R-S-E-S, horses hang their, H-A-N-G, hang their, T-H-E-I-R, their sleepy, S-L-E-E-P-Y, horse hang their sleepy heads, H-E-A-D-S, heads, and stand, S-T-A-N, stand, still, S-T-I-L-L, still in a stall. Horses hang their sleepy heads and stand still in a stall. Horses hang their sleepy heads and stand still in a stall. Okay children, turn the page. Turn the page 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Sometimes, S-O-M-E-T-I-M-E-S, sometimes dogs, D-O-G-S, dogs, stretch out, S-T-R-E-T-C-H, S-T-R-E-T-C-H. Sometimes dogs stretch out or curl up in a heap. C-U-R-L, curl up, U-P, up, in a heap, H-E-A-P, heap. Sometimes dogs stretch out or curl up in a heap. Cows, C-O-W-S, cows, lie down upon, L-I-E, lie down, D-O-W and down. Cows lie down upon, O-P-O-N, upon, their, T-H-E-I-R, their, sides, S-I-D-E-S, S-I-D-E-S, sides. When they go, when, W-H-E-N, when, they, T-H-E-Y, they, would, W-O-U-L-D, would, go, G-O, go, T-O-to, S-L-E-E-P, sleep. They would go to sleep. Cows lie down upon their sides when they would go to sleep. Once again, sometimes dogs stretch out or crawl up in a heap. Cows lie down upon their sides when they would go to sleep. But little babies, B-U-T, but, L-I-T-T-L-E, little, B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. But little babies, dear, D-E-R, dear, are snugly, S-N-U-G-L-Y, snugly tucked in beds, S-N-U-G-L-Y, snugly tucked, T-U-C-K-E-D, tucked in beds. Warm, W-A-R-M, warm with, W-I-T-H, with blankets, B-L-A-N-K-E-T-S, blankets, warm with blankets, all so soft, A-L-L, all, S-O-So, S-O-F-T, soft, all so soft. And, A-N-D, and, pillows, P-I-L-L-O-W-S, pillows for their heads, pillows for their heads, P-I-L-L-O-W-S, pillows for, F-O-R, for, T-H-E-I-R, their, H-E-A-D-S, heads. Once again, little babies, dear, are snugly, S-N-U-G-L-Y, snugly. Snugly means feel warm. Okay, already I told you children, feel warm, comfortable. Okay, Little babies, dear, are snugly tucked in beds, warm with blankets all so soft, and pillows for their heads. Okay, children, watch this video 3-4 times to read the poem How They Sleep. Okay, thank you.